Ms. Jamison here. Today we're going to be solving the problem 354 minus 118, and we're going to be using our expanded form model. Parents, you might be used to using the standard algorithm to solve these types of equations. However, it's very important for students to practice modeling these numbers before they transition into the algorithm so that they are able to develop their understanding of numbers. One way we can do that is using the expanded form model. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the first number in our equation. We're going to expand it below. 300 plus 50 plus 4 is the same as 354. Now we're going to look at the second number in our equation, and we're going to stack the hundreds on top of the hundreds, the tens on top of the tens, and the ones on top of the ones. 118 is the same as 100 plus 10 plus 8 ones. Notice how my hundreds are stacked, my tens are stacked, and the ones are stacked. That's very important. Next, we can look at the equation and see that we are subtracting. So we're going to put our giant subtraction sign over here to the side. Now we're ready to subtract. In the ones place, I see that I have 4 minus 8. I can put up 4 fingers, and now I can try to subtract 8. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I don't have enough. This means I need to go next door to the tens place. I'm going to take away 110. When I take away 110, I'm going to add that over to the ones place. So now, instead of having 4, I now have 14. Well, if I took 110 away from 50, I now do not have 50, I now have 40. I'm ready to finish subtracting. Let's go back to the ones place. 14 minus 8. I can put 8 in my head, 8, and count up to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. I'm going to pull down my plus sign, and now I'm ready to subtract the tens place. 40 minus 10, well, that's the same as 4 tens minus 110. 4 tens minus 110 equals 3 tens. 3 tens is the same as 30. Now we have 300 minus 100. 300 minus 100 equals 200. I can now put my expanded form together to see the answer. 200 plus 30 plus 6 equals 236. That is the answer to my equation, and we demonstrated that using our expanded form model.